Welcome to Lily Artist English. Today I will show you a design which you can paint on border. For flower I am taking mauve, white and a mixture of white and mauve and make a light purple color. So yeah, you can mix it and you have a light purple color. Now I will show you how you can paint this flower. Here I am taking the same flower which I am already shown you in my first video how you can paint this flower, but the design was different. So if you are new on this channel and haven't seen that video, so you can watch that video by clicking on the I button. Here is a little reminder for those who don't know. This is my second channel which is in English language, but my main channel is Lily Artist Fabric Works in Hindi language, and I have already shared more than 500 video on that channel. Different design, different flower, different stuff. So if you want more design and want to learn fabric painting, you can also visit that channel and watch the videos. Those videos are very helpful for you if you are genuinely want to learn fabric painting. As I recently completed my 100k subscriber on that channel, so I created this second channel in English language so that the subscriber which is non-Hindi speaker and doesn't understand Hindi can also learn fabric painting very easily. And if you are willing to watch my videos in English, so please subscribe. If you are genuinely interested, then only you will subscribe on this channel, because here I am only going to share my tutorial in English which I have already shared on my main channel in Hindi language. Okay, so if you can understand Hindi language, so please visit that channel. That could be more beneficial for you. Here I am painting my leaf with white and sap green color. The technique is very simple. If you watch carefully, you can understand very well how I am painting. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment below and share with your friends and family who are interested in fabric painting and want explanation in English language. After painting all my leaves here, I am connecting the design and leaves with a line like that. So I am using the same brush which I have used for painting leaf, but you can use liner brush also. And for detailing, I am here adding a lines in my leaves by using a liner brush. You can use a 0 number round brush. Now our major part of design is completed, but our two flowers are remain. So here I am painting one flower with same color combination as I paint earlier, but the next flower I will use a different color, so stay tuned to see which color I am going to use for painting my third flower. after painting my second flower, I am started painting my third flower, and here I am using a color combination of pink and magenta. So watch carefully. You are going to love this color combination. After painting my flower, I am adding a little detail in my flower. This type of detailing will enhance your painting and give it a very cute and pop-up look. You can spot the difference with detail and without detail. And here is my final painting. I hope you like it. Subscribe this channel for English videos and subscribe my main channel for Hindi videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.